welcome back to Jay's Jeep and Classic Car Channel. Today we're going to be working on taking the pistons out, the connecting rods, all that good stuff, seeing what it looks like inside. So join me in the adventure of taking apart a L134 engine. Alright, so we're working on getting the pistons out. I got my 9/16 impact here. And you just want to go after that first nut here and break that. This oil pickup is right in the way. It makes it hard. Let's try this one. And you got to get it just on that bottom one, not the top one. There we go. That one came off. That one came off. Now we're going to go after it. Well, that ain't moving. I'm going to have to get the breaker bar on that one. Let's see, let's try it one more time. Yeah, we're just going to have to get the breaker bar on it. Alright, just something to note. 2 and 4 have different length crankshafts. Also, number 4 had bigger nuts on them. They had 5/8 head rather than 9/16. Not sure what that's all about. Pretty sure 1 through 3 all have this 9/16. So not exactly sure why 4 has that. Anyway. Drop that down right there. Hopefully that will just kind of push up. Yeah. I'm going to push that thing up as far as I can get it. From this underside. And then pop it out. The last little bit on the top. Alright, to get the rest of this piston out, I'm just going to try to catch that lip. Screwdriver here. Kind of try to work it little by little. Those rings are what hold it in place. And they kind of expand out as you go. There we go, it's coming now. There we go. And out it comes. And that's the piston right there. That's how it's supposed to look. Not in 2 pieces like the other one is. I'm just going to mark this one as number 1. Let's have a grease pencil here. That's so that it doesn't get mixed up. I put the rest of the connecting rod cap on with the nuts. You just don't want to get all this stuff mixed up. And I'm also going to try to mark down in here number 1, just in case I need to know what piston it is. So we're going to take the rest of those pistons out and see what it looks like in each cylinder, but you kind of get the idea of what to do. It's all the same. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take care. It's time for supper.